How to unblock someone on BeReal. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up BeReal. And once you do that, you need to navigate to the profile page of the person that you want to unblock. In order for you to do that, you need to click on the profile picture at the top right, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and here from the features section click on blocked profiles. You will find all of the people that you have blocked on BeReal. Click on the person that you want to unblock, and as you can see here, you will find this option under the profile picture that says unblock. Click on it. Once you do that, this person will be unblocked. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock people on BeReal. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.